Oh my God, I've been talking all. Oh my God, you saw the charts, all right? So basically, what did I say? It's 924. I said we nailed CHWY, all right? Because the $500 million buyback, the big EPS beat, the revenue guidance in line, which implies the earnings are going to continue to beat next quarter. So he said, there's a bid under there. Let's buy that. We gave you the alert at 1750. We gave you a target, the 200 DMA at 1913. It hit that. I'm out of that. But I'll be looking for pullbacks in CHWY today. And the next thing I talked to you about was ANF. Oh my gosh, the audio. ANF 24% EPS beat. The guide, they increased it from 5% to 10% revenue guide year over year. We're at all-time highs. So got into that at 154. I showed you in that VIP chat. We're at 160 now. So ANF and CHWY, two of my favorite reports this morning. I can't really focus on DIX. DIX also beat. So we go to our VIP chat here. We gave you the magnitude of their beat here for DIX. DIX beat by 12%, guided up by 3.8%. So like a 4 to 10% move, and we're already there. All right, I think I'm going to focus on ANF and CHWY. And what I was saying earlier is this was our still no audio? Still no audio. Hello, hello, hello. Still no audio? Someone's saying still no audio. Testing, testing, testing. 920. Oh, that was 924. Can you guys hear me? Amar says still no audio. But I should have audio here. Okay. All right. Anyway, hopefully people can hear me. Can someone say if they hear me over there? But in any case, these were the ERs we were looking at, as I was saying when I was muted. ANF, DIX, CHWY, 3 for 3 on those. AI after the close today. I'm not actually predicting good earnings for AI. I put that up there because it's a popular stock. Okay, great. I'm marking here. So now, since you missed this, I was basically going over our performance yesterday, letting you guys know that we beat 0.59% versus 0.07% for the SPY. Cumulative, we're beating since we started tracking on May 15th, and that was because of a decision to yesterday. Our decision to go 3 times NVIDIA worked out. We're still going to be holding that 3 times NVIDIA. The target was I was going through. That's another thing I went through before we got cut off. So target on NVIDIA was 1,100 to 1,200. We gave that to you right after the earnings report. That's working out. We're at 1134. So I think it probably makes sense to start scaling out of NVIDIA soon, but we're maintaining 3x position in our AI bucket for now. I don't like to make quick changes in that model portfolio. Man. So again, we nailed CHWY this morning, nailed ANF. These two, I'll be looking to trade the dips on them today. All right. So let's move this up. CHWY, ANF. All right. We have some other catalysts out. Hood buyback. I think it was 100 billion, 500 million. What was the size of the buyback? Let's see. I forget. $1 billion buyback over like 2 or 3 years, something like that. So $1 billion buyback takes Hood over a key level. At least last night it did. It was 21.21. Now it's below it. So 21.21 is a resistance level. If you go, you got to go to like a monthly chart on this to see this clearly. If you go to a monthly chart, if we break 21.21, I could see this thing moving up a few more dollars. There's not big resistance here on Hood over 21.21. Maybe $23, $24, or at the conjunction of these two candles. Anyway, Hood is in our model portfolio. I was thinking intraday today by the pullbacks on that news, but instead I'm going to be focusing on CHWY and ANF for trading today based on those great earnings reports. And as I said, DIX also had a great earnings report, but I can't focus on it. All right. ASTS also had some news today. I don't know this company well. I think they had some news with AT&T yesterday. Today they have some news with Verizon. Verizon giving them $100 million, $1.37 billion market cap. Verizon trying to get full coverage spectrum and one of the bandwidths for cellular. So this is something to look at. Probably, very highly volatile, probably highly shorted. Let's just check that real quick. 11 days to cover. All right. So that's something, if you want to trade that makes sense. So I actually was trading a little bit of that. So today, as far as trading goes, I'll be focusing on CHWY and ANF. Thank you, Shovel. CHWY, ANF, and ASTS. Those will be my trade focuses for today. VTSI didn't work out yesterday, but I'm holding it. All right, I'm going to be holding the VTSI trade. We have a few weeks. This is like a 3-week swing trade. VTSI with a 1 million shares of demand coming in from the Russell, which is 10% of the outstanding shares. So VTSI, that's like a 2-3 week swing. Didn't work out yesterday. I expected it to, but it didn't. That's okay. Going to be holding that. Now, we're not making any changes to our model portfolio today. If you're trading shorter term accounts because of that move in, I got to run because I got to trade. But because of that move in a TLT and IWM, I'd be more careful with risk. I'd be playing closer to the vest, higher cash positions. Be careful what you're trading. All right, but I got to go again. CHWY, ANF will be my focuses for trading today. No changes in the model portfolio. I'm not worried about volatility. There's a longer term account, the model portfolio. We're not worried about that. All right, guys, head on over to storytrading.com/app, and you can hear the show every morning with audio at 9 a.m. Sorry for all the lateness and technical difficulties. I'll see you guys soon. Take care.